Welcome back again Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Free crypto earning channel. Subscribe this channel for free earning. Today I am sharing with you another amazing play to earn gaming platform. Its name is 11 minutes. 11 minutes is play to earn gaming platform based on Polygon network blockchain. To start this game, you have to invest $45 through Polygon blockchain. As all we know, the fees is very low on Polygon blockchain. 0.01 only fee required to buy their tokens. As you can read it, low initial cost. $45 on Polygon network. Fees is 0.01 only in dollars we have to pay to buy this token. What is 11 token? Liquidity locked, auto farming, NFT staking, and liquidity guarantee program, burning automation. These are the key functions of 11 token. And this is the roadmap detail. They started their work November 2021, launch beta game, December 2021, public sale, private sale, launch game series, special game session 1, Q1 2022, iOS and Android launch, offline events, NFT staking pools, Q2 2022, cross-chain tournaments, game launchpad, Xbox and PS5 development, Q3 2022, first game launchpad, funding, Xbox and PS5 launch. And they are moving forward according to their roadmap. And these are the core members of this project: co-founder, CEO, and co-founder and co-founder and CTO, CCO. And this is the detail of launch ads, investors and partners of this project. These are the social links to follow: Twitter, Discord and Telegram. So this is first part of the video. In the second part of the video we will discuss their white paper. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.